Hey, I'm Jack Arend, one of the Associate Directors here at AWSP. Welcome to another edition of AWSP News. As we turn the page on a busy January, AWSP wants to recap what's happened already in 2021. First of all, we've had some terrific professional development from world-class inclusionary practices experts like Dan Habib and Shelley Moore. If you weren't able to attend these incredible sessions, don't worry, you haven't missed out. You can still view recordings of these events all for free thanks to our Inclusionary Practices Grant with OSPI. You can find all of these recordings on our learning management system. That's right. How many of you know we have a relatively new learning management system? Our learning management system has tons of great classes and resources for you to check out. Most of them are completely free. Head to pathlms.com and start exploring. Many of the free items you can just start watching, but if you want to track your progress, just sign in with your AWSP account. Speaking of your AWSP account, we want to thank those of you who logged in to purchase AWSL's I Am, We Are Martin Luther King Day Assembly. For those of you who haven't seen it, here's a brief clip of what you missed from James Lehman's keynote.
Hello, my name is James Lehman, and it is a pleasure to be here with you today. This is not a speech. This is not me preaching to you. This is us having a conversation. This is an opportunity for us to talk about life, to talk about the world honestly, for us to learn, grow, and connect with each other. I remember the first time that I realized I was treated differently because of my skin color. Before I share this story, let me contextualize my lived experience and a little about my story. Obviously, I'm a black male, but what you might not know is I was adopted into a single-parent white family. My mother would later adopt 2 black children who became my brother and my sister. The family who lived right next door to us was a white couple with 1 biological child and 2 adopted black children. So conversations about race were commonplace in my household for as long as I can remember. Now back to this scene that I was talking about. I remember it vividly. I was in 3rd grade, at recess. My friend was going around chatting with different classmates, but was intentionally avoiding me. I would go up to him and ask, "What were you telling everyone?" He said, "I can't tell you." He would then run off. It was a weird moment. I remember feeling like something was up. Later that day in PE, I asked my friend, "Can you please tell me what everybody was talking about and what you were talking about? And I promise I won't get mad."
Wow, the AWSP staff watched this together and were completely blown away. Guess what? If you didn't purchase this for your MLK celebration, it's not too late. Many schools are planning to use it to help celebrate the upcoming Black History Month or even future diversity weeks. Not only do you get the keynote, but you also get AWSL's Student Equity Guidebook, school-wide discussion and family engagement questions, and an implementation guide if you choose to do an assembly. There are versions for elementary and secondary, and James will personally support you and your school through the entire process. We've also got you covered here in Olympia when it comes to advocacy. The legislature is in session and things look a little different this year in more ways than one. On our end, we've folded our legislative update newsletter contents into principal matters. We know you are buried in email, so we didn't want to send you 2 newsletters every Friday during this session. You can also find those updates on our blog. And if you want to make your voice heard, you can do that now with remote testimony. Check out a legislative update blog post or principal matters for instructions on how to do that. Hey, the 2021-22 Intern Grant Application is now open. This state, state-funded grant is designed to support aspiring leaders with partial release time and professional learning as they complete their administrative internship. Learn more and apply on our website. Great school leaders look to include student voice in all they do. AWSL and AWSP are proud to present a new collaborative workshop, Turn Up the Volume on Student Voice. Join us for this 4-part virtual series that will help you bring culture, systems, and learning together in the spirit of what's best for kids. Find more info in Principal Matters and on our website. That's it from us here at AWSP. Keep up the great work for kids, and we'll see you next time.
Nope.
Okay. Wow, that goes really slow.
It's slow?
It's so slow.
Okay.
It's all right. I'm going to try it. Oh, there's no way. Hey, welcome to another edition of AWSP News. It's really slow.
Okay, it's not working.
I kind of know what it's going to say. I need to try that again.
Why?
I'll just keep going. Can you edit this chunk out? Okay. I'm good. Okay, here we go.
Hope you're ready for the next episode. Hey.